Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. First thing first, I'm requesting all of my YouTube family to go out and vote for development on the date of polling in your respective areas. So, what do you think about today's topic? Today's topic about how you look forward in a new year, as we all done with our appraisals and the new financial year is here. So it is the new year from April 2024 till March 25. So today's topic is relating to how you can plan your year ahead with a lot of confidence and on a positive note. As we are entering financial year and most of us obviously done with our yearly appraisal, now it is the time to reflect the last year and focus on the coming year. What we have missed, what are the goal of the new year, how should I plan for the challenges ahead and start the new year with a positive note. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapa. It is tempting to dream big and plan big as we set goals for the year ahead. It is obviously very important that the goals are really matter, but if it is more important, then these goals are measurable, attainable, adaptable, and the most importantly aligned with the company's strategy and the values. Align employee goals are with the company's objective is like invest in yourself and commit to the advancing in your career, whatever that mean for you. The first step is determining your short and long term career goal. Is your goal is to remain in your current job, to advance in your organization, or move to somewhere else new. Articulate your aspiration, whatever may be, whether that means in mastering a new current role, gaining new responsibilities, getting promoted, or moving out to a new job or industry entirely. Articulate that goals and then make the conscious decision to commit yourself and to your success. Decide how you are going to achieve your next goal and make a plan. What are the next steps that you will need to accomplish before achieving your ultimate goal? If you are unsure, research some ideas, reach out to your manager, or maybe the colleague or the friends or in the family maybe. Look for advice or schedule professional development training for yourself. For example, if your goal is to get promoted, find out how others have been successful in your organization or industry. You may need to take a course or pass a certification exam or take on a larger project to work towards your ultimate goal. That's all depend upon you. Goals are typically cascaded from the above, but make sure that employees understand the connection between their individual goal and the overall company's objectives. When an employee understands how their individual roles and responsibility contribute to their overall the company's aim, they are typically more focused and motivated to achieve that goal, result in success for both themselves and the company. Managers should keep this in mind by communicating the overall company's goal to their team. In turn, this will keep employees more focused on their target and their work in achieving them. Consider also building the company's values into goals. If you have a started values, they are important, right? Absolutely. Then encourage employees to identify the job specific goal. I will always say that often managers will have certain key targets put in place for each employee depending upon their job skill set. However, it can be useful to ask the employee to identify what goals they themselves feel are important for their role within the organization. In the context of the larger company objectives, they may see something that you don't from the other side. If an employee's self-suggested goal aligned with the company's goals and objective, I think it is a duty of a manager to work in tandem with the employee to develop an action plan to attain this goal. Then set smart goals. In order for the employees for realistically achieve their goals, is important to carefully plan clear, attainable, trackable goals using SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely framework. This method is practically way to outline the step necessary to reach each goal. Each element of the SMART goal framework works collaboratively to set boundaries, define the next step, identify the next resource, and the pinpoint indicator of the process. Consider using this framework when you working with employees to help them to create a strong foundation of success, but also think about making goals agile and adaptable. Then make goals agile and adaptable. Probability we have all had an experience of setting goals and then realizing that by the end of the quarter one they should be already been achieved or there. Company strategy can be changed due to unforeseen circumstances like the market changes or the new opportunity coming up. Continuing with the original goal will result in irrelevant behavior that don't help the company. Agile goals are designed to be flexible and not able to change as needed. They are incremental, focused on small steps rather than the big final deliverables. The focus is more on delivering value to the customer, whether it is the external customer or the internal customers. Tracking what customer needs or expect and shifting goal to match is what we call agile goal. Tend to be very collaborative based on working with other stakeholders to refine shared objectives. Then keep a track of the goal with regular check-ins. If you don't track your progress, you will never know if you are making any mistakes or missing on the deadlines. Managers and their direct reports should track the progress of the goal with transparency and accountability. The best way to do is to conduct regular check-ins or one-on-ones meeting with your team members, regardless of the frequency of this conversation, maybe weekly, monthly, or once in a fortnight. Their purpose remains the same: to keep the lines of communication open between the manager and the team and keep a track of the goal that have been set for ourselves. Our performance management system should also be able to support the manager check-ins and coaching. Simply put, the more employees and the manager communicate, the better they will be able to work together to achieve goals, develop skills, and give and receive feedback. If quarterly goals are regularly evaluated and refreshed, then working towards annual goals become much smoother and improved. So friends, if you all like my thought, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it and subscribe to this channel. It gives lot me a great motivation to create lot more useful videos for all of you. Masterclass with Tapas is a channel where you can learn the new tips and tricks of the management straight from the horse's mouth. So I will invite you to join me on this journey. Reach out through my website in the same name or simply subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas to embark on this transformative path together. Let's achieve our goals and create a success together. Till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.